Hello students. So students, today we will discuss about the next part of the chapter second, that is forms of business organization, and in this we will discuss the next form of business organization, that is joint Hindu family business, and JHFB. It is a short abbreviation of a joint Hindu family business, right? So let's start that what exactly is the meaning of joint Hindu family business, right? So yes, you can see the meaning on your screen, like joint Hindu family business. It is a business which is carried out by the member of joint undivided family. Undivided family basically means joint family. Okay? And this type of business is actually known as joint Hindu family business, right? The second part or the second feature of joint Hindu family business is that it is actually governed. It is governed by the Hindu Succession Act, which comes under Hindu law. Okay, so what kind of rules and regulation it is actually maintaining or following? It is following the rules which are actually made or governed by Joint Succession Act. Okay, and this Joint Succession Act actually comes under your Hindu law. Okay, now let's see what is the condition for the existence of this joint Hindu family business. So basically these are the two conditions which is needed to be fulfilled. The first one is minimum 2 male members should be there, right? Minimum 2 male members should be there in the family, and the second condition is that like some ancestral property should also exist. Ancestral property basically means those properties which you got or received from your grandfather, or you can also call it as your forefathers. Okay? Okay? So these are the two conditions which are needed to be fulfilled in order to start with your joint Hindu family business. Right? Okay. So let's move on with the next, that is the features. Now we'll discuss some of the features of joint Hindu family business. So these are the features. First one, formation. So the formation of joint Hindu family business is very easy. Like you need to fulfill only two conditions. The first condition is 2 male members, and the second is there must be some ancestral property, right? Moving towards the second feature, that is liability. So liability or the responsibility, the karta. Karta means who is the head member, head male member. Okay? The person who is the head male member of the business known as karta, and that karta is having the unlimited liability, right? While the rest of the members, they are having a limited liability. Clear? Now moving towards the third point, that is features. The third feature is your control. So basically business is completely under the control of karta. Okay? Karta is the only person who is ultimately taking all the decision. Okay? He's taking all the decision, but it is not like that he is not asking its rest of the members to participate also. The rest member can also participate, but ultimately the final decision will be binding by the karta only. Okay? Final decision will be of karta only. Okay, moving towards the fourth feature, that is minor member. So minor member means, so minor basically means who are less than 18 years of age. Okay, who are less than 18 years. So those individuals who are less than 18 years of age, they are known as minor members, and in joint Hindu family business, yes, these minor members are allowed by birth. Allowed by birth means as soon as you have or you are the participant or you are the part of the joint Hindu family business, as soon as you have taken the birth in that family, all the legal rights, all the formalities, everything will be transferred to you by birth only. Okay? So that is actually the fourth feature, that is minor member. Okay, let's move on with the next. Okay, so these were only the features. Okay? So in this I have discussed about the joint Hindu family business meaning and the features. So basically 4 features are there. Okay? And with this student, this topic, or this is the end of your chapter, not chapter but actually part 5th. Okay? It is the end of your part 5th. Okay, thank you class.